Should I buy or sell Microsoft? The report from Microsoft was first published on our website Friday, November 18, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since November 10, 2022, our system ranks Microsoft as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.766. In this period the stock has not performed as our systems expected and actually had a loss of -0.88% so far. This is an average return of -0.13% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Microsoft, our last headline reads, Microsoft stock price down 0.0125% on Friday. The Microsoft stock price fell by -0.0125% on the last day, Friday, November 18, 2022, from $240.47 to $240.44. It has now fallen 6 days in a row. During the last trading day the stock fluctuated 1.97% from a day low at $239.03 to a day high of $243.74. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days but is still up by 8.6% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 944,000 shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 16 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $3.95 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $349.67, and the lowest price was $213.43. Right now the price is 31.24%, or $109.23, below 52-week high at $349.67, which also is all-time high for the stock. The stock lies the upper part of a wide and falling trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $246.26 will firstly indicate a slower falling rate, but may be the first sign of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -13.94% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -25.77% and -11.86%. The 12-month trend indicates a -26.64% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -35.93% and -18.48%. This equals a price between $154.06 and $196.01 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Wednesday, November 2, 2022, Macquarie set price target to 234. On Thursday, October 27, 2022, Rosenblatt set price target to 285. On Wednesday, October 26, 2022, RBC Capital set price target to 310. On Wednesday, October 26, 2022, Wedbush set price target to 290. On Wednesday, October 26, 2022, Wolfe Research set price target to 280. From analysts, Microsoft stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for Microsoft. The Microsoft stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $242.65. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $235.48. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, November 3, 2022, and so far it has risen 12.22%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the stock should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 12 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 12 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 5 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart we see short moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 61 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 55 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Microsoft. Microsoft finds support from accumulated volume at $235.87, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $4.71 between high and low, or 1.97%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 2.12%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Microsoft. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Microsoft currently has a price-earning ratio of 25.57. This is a relatively normal price-to-earnings ratio and often seen in business with long track record or predictable revenues. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Microsoft meets first resistance at $244.74. If you do not hold Microsoft shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Microsoft finds first level of support at $235.87, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Microsoft is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On November 11, 2022, young Christopher David made an inside sell of 1,030,322 of common stock. On October 17, 2022, Hoya Alice L. made an inside sell of 177,469 of common stock. On September 19, 2022, Capicella Christopher C. made an inside buy of 11,302 of common stock. On September 19, 2022, Smith Bradford L. made an inside buy of 29,641 of common stock. On September 19, 2022, young Christopher David made an inside buy of 14,342 of common stock. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 13.860. In total, the insiders bought 537,058,523 and sold 413,828,602 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $233.52, minus 2.88%. This stock has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 11 days ago. Is Microsoft stock a buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the stock being in a falling trend, we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Monday 21st, we expect Microsoft to open up $0.630 and start trading at $241.07. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to